National news now. It was a repeat of the record turnout in the first phase of the Gujarat polls. The second phase, which ended today, saw 70% polling. This one is the toughest electoral test for Chief Minister Narendra Modi, who is seeking a third term. Will it be a hat-trick? Well, Himanshu reports from Ahmedabad.
Yes, as the phase 2 of the Gujarat State Legislative Assembly polls for the year 2012 comes to an end, let me give you a final update. The voter turnout, which has been registered according to the Election Commission office into the state of Gujarat, is almost in tune of 70% in phase 2. So combining the phase 1 and phase 2, what we learn over here is that the average voter turnout into the state of Gujarat is 70% plus, which is a record-breaking turnout as far as the State Legislative Assembly polls go anywhere into the country today. Now, as the poll ends over here, the overall poll process was very peaceful into the state of Gujarat, barring the few incidents of violence reported mainly into the tribal belt and into Ahmedabad constituency. Apart from there, some dummy EVMs were seized into Anjar constituency of Kutch Bhuj, wherein the BJP workers were moving with the dummy EVMs trying to explain the voters as to which button to press. But the Election Commission officials seized those EVMs, saying that there is a code of conduct into imposition and they cannot do such a propaganda. But apart from that, the polling process was peaceful into the state of Gujarat as far as phase 1 and phase 2 goes. And now, majority of the exit polls are claiming Bharatiya Janata Party and Modi as a front runner. Congress would be having some seats and Gujarat Parivartan Party with the few. But as the EVMs are sealed, the counting is going to happen on 20th December. So the answer largely lies on 20th December as to who will win this battle of Gujarat. Back to you.
Well, yes, he's pretty confident of returning to power. Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi has said today that the ruling BJP would score a hat-trick in the state by winning the assembly polls for the third time in a row.
जिस प्रकार से मतदान का रुख देखा है, उसे मुझे लगता है कि प्रथम चरण के मतदान से भी दूसरे चरण में ज्यादा मतदान होगा। जैसे मतदान भारी होगा, वैसे विजय भी भव्य होगा।